Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the TurboTax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in myturbotax.intuit.com and press enter. You will now directly be taken into the login portal for your MyTurboTax account. Now within the phone number, email or user ID box, you can type in either one of these credentials and then click on the sign in button. Now if you're using a public device, make sure to uncheck the remember me box. After clicking on sign in, you will be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your TurboTax account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on try something else or the forgot password button after entering your phone number, your user ID or email address. And there you have it. That is how you can log into your MyTurboTax account using your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.